Okay, so I got a lot of heat for this video. I made it December 17th of last year, December 17th, 2019. Let's just listen just for a few seconds and then we'll go on to the news that was reported today.
At Olympus because his boss is already gone and apparently another level of Olympus management is gone. So kept emphasizing that there was only 8 more months left, and it did not refer to his position. Like I'm going to retire. I've only got 8 more months and catch you later. No. So that's around about July or so.
Yeah, 8 months from December 17th of last year. So he said specifically, the inside source at Olympus, and I did talk to an inside source at Olympus, that all the management was already gone and that things were in the process of folding up. So Olympus is completely ended. Well, it's going to end in by the end of June, so basically a month from now. But let's just say now, Olympus has ended all camera operations in South Korea. They're going to continue to focus on the only thing that's making them money, which is medical and scientific solutions for business. So this is the first step, or the first domino, if you will. Olympus's camera division. I don't know who it's going to be sold off to or whether it's going to be terminated and buried, but this is the beginning of the end for Olympus. I got so much flack for this video, and it's like, well, I'm only reporting to you what an inside source at Olympus said. The management is gone. Uh, the hierarchy has been gutted, and the writing is on the wall. And so what he told me was accurate. I mean, he was an Olympus management guy that told me this, so there you go. I actually do like Olympus cameras. I've owned many Olympus cameras. I'm not like cheering for their demise at all. I'm just simply reporting what's going on, and this is it. Olympus is you're starting to see the effects of Olympus going bye-bye. Their camera division, not their medical. I mean, they make all sorts of really fancy, expensive medical equipment, and that of course makes them money. But yeah, the camera stuff, no. Bye bye. Bye bye. So I hate to hear that, but that's what's up. Thanks.